Hey, what is up? What's good, guys? Good morning. It's Tuesday morning, and I just woke up actually, and I discovered that the trade I was on Monday. I'm going to drop a little clip right here, or a little pop-up right here to show what the trade ended in. So, however, we took the trade. I took the trade, and the trade did really well. Like it did really well, and I'm really grateful for that. So I'm going to take you guys to my chart right now to show you guys what I'm looking at. And I think by the ending of today, around 6 o'clock, yes, around 6 o'clock, I'm going to be on a trade also. So, and I hope that does well too. So let's see how it goes. Let's just go straight to the chart so that we know, show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm expecting. I trade only Usdjpy, and I trade for, at the moment I'm trading just one account. Yes, one account, and it's a cent account. I am trying to go the account to at least 1,000 cents. It's not because I'm just trying to like monitor my consistency level and see how consistent I can be for at least a given period of time. So I have a target. I started the account from 500, and I'm growing it to 1,000. At the moment, I'm already at 736 cents. I'm trying to take it to 1,000, and I'm going to be try as much as possible to be very transparent with the whole process. So I'm taking it to 1,000, and then from 1,000, I'm going to also move it to 2,000, and then from 2,000, I'm going to use it to buy a prop firm account, which I am going to like trade, and let's see how it goes though. So let me show you people my charts. Let's go. Okay, shit. So this is my charts. I trade only USDJPY. So this is my charts, and I'm going to be short. I just want the time to like be around, let's say 6 o'clock, because I use the 4 hour time frame. So I want this 4 hour candle to close. Then once the 4 hour candle close, I'm going to take a short position. And I'm going to let it run and see how it goes. Still, this is the trade I took last week, and I closed it. This was the candle that stopped me out this week. This week that was sent up to the upside. This was the week that stops me out. So moving, and then it's going in my direction again. So what I'm going to do is my system allows me to enter here when the candle closes, and I'm going to do just that. This is the account I'm trading. Yes, this is the account I'm trading. As you can see, this is the balance, and it's a real account, MT5 real account. It's a real account. I'm going to blur this account number later. So it's a real account, and it's a cent account. So I'm trying to like trade it upwards to 1k. So guys, let's see how it goes now. I'm going to be updating you today by 6 when I enter the trade. I'm going to drop a screenshot of that and a screenshot of that.
What's up? What's good, guys? This is me going out right now, and I just want to like take a stroll. Not necessarily take a stroll, but it's still taking a stroll though. And I'm supposed to like be in church right now, but I'm not going. I'm not going out. I want to just go chill somewhere, sit somewhere in the evening and play snooker. Basically, I'm going to play snooker in a bar. Let me just see what I'm going to do. And I usually like going out in the evening. So that trade I told you guys I was going to take, I took the trade around 6 a.m. and I'm going to drop a screenshot of the trade. I entered the trade, and the trade it went straight to like in drawdown. So at the moment right now, right now I'm doing this video at 6 p.m. yeah, and I'm still in a drawdown. Like it's even way deeper in a drawdown, and I'm not shaking. Like because of the way I trade and because of the system I'm using, I'm even very much excited that I'm actually in a drawdown because moving forward, I'm likely to like re-enter the trade with a bigger position. I used a DMC method in trading, so there's a chance that I'm likely to enter the position with another bigger lot size again. So let's see how it goes. I'm happy today is actually Wednesday. I mean Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, so I'm actually happy today's Tuesday because by Wednesday, Thursday, I still have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to like pull this through. So let's go. Peace.
What's up? What's good? Good morning to everyone out there. Good morning to all the traders. This is Wednesday. Yes, today's Wednesday, and I'm here to update you guys on how my trade has been doing. Okay, so it's actually been crazy. Let's just go straight to my chart. I don't want to just talk too much so that this video will not be long. Let's just go straight to my chart. Let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so this here is my chart. Let me remove this and this so that we'll understand what we're doing. Okay, let me bring them back first. Then let me drop a little line right here. First of all, very good. So right now, as I mentioned earlier, I use a DMC method in trading. So I took my first sell. As you can see the trade here. This is my first sell right here. I took that sell, and right now, as you can see, I am heading in like I am serious drawdown minus 32 cents. See the equity on the account, 702 cents minus 35 cents. This is the equity on the account. So right now, this is where we are, and you can see my SL way up here. This is where my SL is at. That's where my SL is at. So let's go back to trading view and see what market is doing. Now this is where market is at. I am waiting for this candle to just close. This candle is the 10 o'clock candle and it's supposed to close around 2. So once the candle closes, I am going to have a re-entry at the candle close, especially when it closes bearish. Like if it closes the way it is right now, I'm going to enter a new position with 0.6 lots. But if it goes up to, let's say, goes up above this line right here and close this up there, I'm not going to enter again. I'm going to allow this market roll, and then I have like 2 stop losses. I have the first stop here and the next stop here. So currently now my stop loss is at this price. Currently now my stop loss is at this 14680. However, by Thursday, Friday, I'm going to change it to this point right here. You get to this point right here. So with that said, if price doesn't get to this point right here and it reverses like what it's doing right now to go down, I'm going to re-enter here with 0.6 lots and I'm going to let it run. So this is just a quick update on how position is doing. By 2 o'clock, once this candle closes, I'm going to re-enter. Let's go. So what is up, guys? A quick update right now. This is Wednesday. You can see by my time here we have Wednesday 23rd, and the time now is currently 7:43 p.m. and as you can see, this is what we are seeing here. Minus 70 cents, bro. minus 70 cents. Like, this is really crazy. Let's just look at the charts and see exactly when it's connected now. Okay, good, really good. So let me just clear this real quick. I told you guys that if I get a close below this line, I was going to enter. So I didn't re-enter the trade. I didn't re-enter the position though, because price did not close below this line. However, it just closed in between, and then see what the next candle did. The next candle came up here immediately, so I didn't bother re-entering the sell again. So I just allowed the position run. So if you look here, you will see that it's just one position and the balance is still remaining 735 right here. So let's just see how tomorrow is going to be. Tomorrow being Thursday and Friday is going to be, but I hope that, I'm not hoping sure, but then if it gets to our SL, no problem. If it doesn't get here and it decides to reverse, let's say it gets somewhere around here and decides to pull back, I'm going to enter with a 0.6 position, 0.06 position, which is like double of what I have here. Right here I have a 0.03. You can look at it, look at the volume, 0.03. So if it continues this way and keeps going against me, no problem. When it gets to a certain level and it decides to like return, let's say somewhere around here, I'm going to enter with a 0.06, and if this goes half, just half of what this whole move is, like more like a pullback, something like this. So if it just goes half, I'll be back in profit, and even more safe, I'll be back in serious profit. And then again, so I'm also going to then if it starts, because there's a chance that this wants to reverse. That's what I'm seeing right now. If you look here, you can clearly see that we've hit its support right here, but I don't trade support and resistance. However, this is a very, very crucial point in the market. So also, if you look on the daily, you can see that it's almost like it's doing a very, very quick spot on reversal. Same thing to happen here, but then again, you can also look that all the while it's been hitting here. Like when it went back up, it was not able to take out the previous high, so there's a high chance that this is just going to come back to somewhere around here and then pull back. You understand? So I'm leaving that for next week. At the moment, for this week, I am still selling because there's a chance that this candle might just retrace and come and close somewhere around here, making it more like a pin bar, something like this, or something like this. You get? So at the end of the day, see where price is right now and see where my overall stop loss is for this week. So I'm very, very good, and I'm very, very comfortable in this position right now. I'm very, very comfortable in this position right now. So let's see how the remaining 2 days of this week is going to be. That is that's Thursday and Friday. And then by next week, my stop is going to come down and it's going to be here. Okay, so what's up, guys? What's good morning? This is 10 a.m. yes, by the way, and this is Thursday. So I'm here to update you guys on how the trade is doing, where we are now, and how I'm managing my position. So let's go straight to the chart. Let me show you where we are. Okay, so this is where we are at the moment. Let me go to my lovely 4-hour time frame. So I told you guys yesterday, that is being Wednesday, that as the trade is going up, I have no problem with it, and I use a DMC method. So right now I am in my second position. Yes, I entered around 6 o'clock on this line right here. That was where I entered. I entered around 6 o'clock this morning. So the price, I'm expecting it to just drop, even if it's a little like this, but I'm expecting it to play this low because this weekly candle, this is how the weekly candle looks like. So there's a chance that the first target is to retrace and come and clear this whole buy side, this whole buy body, clear it, and then the second target now is to come and take this low. Although I don't think it will do that this week again. Do you get? I don't think it can just fall like that and come and clear this week again. Maybe by next week it will do it, but then this week I don't think it will do it again. So, but I'm still holding the trade, and by the time it will move from here to here, at least I'll be out of drawdown. So let's go to MT5 and see it. So this is it. This is the account. This is the trade. Right here, this is the account, this is the trade right here. So as you can see, I'm already up 8 cents on the second position, which is in 0.06. This is the 0.03. I'm minus 51 cents on that one. Look at it here. Look at this. So the both of them as of now, the SLs are still at this up, but by the close of this week candle, or let's say by the ending of today, I'll move it to this point right here, and then I'll also move this one to this point right here, and I'll lock it there, and let's just see how it goes. So by the time this position will run from here to here, I'll be in profit, and this one will be on a little loss. And then if it comes down to here, this one will be in break even, this one will be in profit. So that's just a little insight on how I manage my position. So any updates or any recent developments, I'm going to come and still update you guys. Enjoy.
Started around here Monday, and I took only 2 trades. This boy, they reached this week, which is this one and this one, and I am still holding them though, as a matter of fact. And my stop losses are here right now, which I think maybe market is going to pick me out by next week, depending on how next week behaves. So this is like price gets above here by next week, I'll start buying. However, for the moment, I am still holding myself. At the moment, I am still holding myself because I still believe that price is going to like come back down. But if that doesn't still happen and it goes back up here, like I said, my stop loss at this line here, so I'm going to exit the positions. So let's go to MT5. This is my MT5. This is the second position. This is the first position I took. Go straight to the history and look at it. I didn't close any trade this week, so if this hits my stop loss here, I am going to be losing almost 200 cents. Yes, almost 200 cents. It's going to be 186 cents. Yes, 186 cents. So the profit I have made on the account, which is like 735, I'm going to be down 186.
5